Alright, good morning guys. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon ay magbabaklas tayo ng headlight left side because it's damaged in here, you see. Okay, so we will remove this. So, first we'll check the mounting. Yeah, so there is a mounting in here. I remove the bolts. Here also there is a crack also. Here, 4, and also this side connected in here. So before removing this, we will remove the wiring. So this one I already removed the electrical in here, mounting in here, just like that. And then this one, remove this twist. Alright, so that's it. So what else? Here the wiring connected in here. So we will remove also this one twist. Okay, so that one over from the side here. So we will disconnect that plug, electrical. This one also. Okay, what else? Smell the wiring of this. The lower side. That is the mounting. Okay, ready to move. Move this. And then remove this bulb. This one is for here. Okay, so that's it, the connection. You can now remove the wire, the headlight. Alright, so we already removed the headlight left side. So the problem is this is there's a damage also in here, the mounting bracket. Okay, so this should be replaced, new one, because of the damage glass headlight. Okay, up to here, oh. Okay, so we will order these parts. This one is good. We will use this bulb. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Rickscal TV. God bless.